Start cleaning here now. Lawan pa na, Lan? Ha? Nakita, tulo man na kang ang.
Tulo ka nga? Tala.
Aw, ay wala hagdanan?
Ano?
Aw, dohor di ay. Oh, 1 feet. Yeah, I start running. Nice.
Yeah, we're getting
According to Philip, there is a rain next this weekend probably. So we need to clean it. We need to clean the water. And look at here, guys. It's like we have a lot of rain. Now the fish is so close. Ay, there you go. They can sense the food really. And I'm going to water my vegetables here, guys. Wow, you should see my vegetables growing. Very healthy. I am so glad. Broccoli will grow here. This is broccoli. See my eggplant. A lot. Plenty. I miss fresh tomato. They're doing good. The asparagus here. This is the new one, new shoot. And this one, not yet. I think it's not dead. And this is the new shoot, guys. And here, so many. I'm so happy. And this one, that's live. This one too. And I'm not sure of this one. But that's okay. This one, wow, look. Happy. Wow. And I starting this is pechay planted yesterday. This is 1 pack pechay. I'm hoping the seed, I'm hoping they will grow. And look at my eggplant, guys. Another big plant. And this is my radish. So many radish. And let's walk here, guys. Oh wow, nabuhi na. Tanawa, look guys. I have a young hanging plant now, see? Wow, nakakatawa, see? Very good. Thank you, flower. And this one, this is so fragile. Here, this is already okay. And this one too. Wow, nakakatawa. And this is cabbage. My cabbage. So I still have a lot of eggplant seeds, seedlings rather. And look, so many kaon ano eh. That's the pepper. And I want to show here, guys, my potato. See the progress of potato. Wow, they are healthy. This one, nice. And I just planted a while ago here. Wow. Interesting. So now I need to water them. Look at my garden is a mess. You know, it's okay if I have somebody here that can help with me, but it's okay. Anyway, my parents are coming. Mama and Papa will be back this weekend. So I am so happy that they come back here. So that is my dirt, guys, because I'm going to replant the pepper. So now I finished replanting the tomato, and that's gonna be ready to transplant to the big pots. I don't want to put that one to Philip garden because I can't go there every now and then. So it is good here because I can see quick and it's easy for them to water because I have water here in the pan. There I can get a little water. And here, something to show you too, the radish. See? Wow. So I'm going to put the radish all here with these pots. I have so many things to do here, guys. My God, it seems like the day is so short for me. Yeah. I want to work more and more. Then I have here starting potato. This is potato. I'm going to set it there. I always check the ref if there is a shoot coming, then I plant. I plant in the pot, so matirang matibay. Wow, nakakatuwa guys ang garden ko, even if in the pots, but oh wow, this is big help. So a little help here, especially the lettuce here. See, very nice lettuce. I love lettuce. So Philip is eating my lettuce, guys. Yeah. Nice fresh air here. Very nice fresh air. But so many dead leaves fallen. And sooner I'm going to water them. In here. My broccoli. I love gardening, guys. So there are some won't survive. There are some will survive. And I only have few cauliflower here. This is it. This is the only one survive out of 4 or 5 maybe. That's my. And I still have here 3 left. I need to replant this one later. Oh, it's dry. That's it, guys. My adorable garden. So bye everyone. Wow, nice fresh air. Woo. Very nice. You know, if we go to town, I can feel the heat there. It seems like they're burning there. And here we have sun, but not really hot because we have air and a little bit shade. That's really big difference from town. In town, even if there are a lot of buildings there, you can hide to the shade, but the air is hot, dry. Not like here. Seems like my lungs, it's so nice to smell the fresh air. My cabbage lettuce, guys. I'm hoping they will survive. So bye everyone. Thanks again for watching, guys. Be patient with my look at the mess here. That's okay, guys. Later on I will arrange that one, everything. I don't want to overdo work here, so I won't be sick. You know. There. A little only. Thanks for watching. Bye.